Hey guys, good evening, good afternoon, sorry. Right now it's about 2:36 p.m. The market has still not over, but I thought let me just make one video for you guys. I'm going to do analysis of a sector which I feel will be upcoming and will, if we select some good stocks in that sector, we can expect good returns in coming few days. So guys, let me just introduce myself. This is Dr. Seema Jain, the chief mentor at StockPro and founder of StockPro. And I'm a SEBI registered research analyst, partner to all major stockbroking firms. And I have trained about not less than 3,000 people in the market. And before I proceed on, I will show you my channel. This is my channel, and you can, you know, just have a look at the kind of work we do. So this is my channel, Stock Pro Official. Have about 2,64,000 members, subscribers, and I have given in the morning 2 stocks. I've given TVS 18 broadcast by above 31.5. You can see the time as well. Time is about 9:50, and I have given another stock, Jubilant Life Sciences, at about 11 a.m. Right? These are all today's stocks. So I want to show you how did they perform. So TVS 18, sorry, TV18 broadcast. Look at it. It's already, see, I gave an entry. After that, it's been just heading up. It made a high of 33, right? It's pretty a good return. You know, if you just look into it, it's about 5% return. We entered somewhere here at 31.5, made a high of 1.5, more than that. Good returns. Then I have given Jubilant Life Sciences, right? Jubilant Life Sciences. I have given an entry at 625, somewhere here, at this place, right? This is where I gave the entry. And look at how it has been just going up. It's just been firing up, right? And it has made a high of 673, almost 50 points. The stock has given almost 50 points, right? That's the rally stock has assumed, right? Have resumed, and such a beautiful movement the stock has given, right? Although the market has been pretty much down today, the market has shown a lot of negativities, in the sense it has been down by about 230 points. Yet the stocks that I've given, whether it was TVS 18 or Jubilant Life Sciences, they've been just in the uni direction. So guys, if you have made money, if you are present on my channel, if you have been making money, please refer my channel to, this is Stock Pro channel, to others, so that many people losing money in the stock market, at least they can make, at this point of time when corona pandemic is on, people can get some kind of, you know, assurance and make some good money, because these are all thoroughly researched calls. So I'm going to discuss about a particular sector today. And I'm going to do today a sectors analysis. So what I'm thinking, you know, what I have done my analysis upon, that the fertilizer sector looks very good to me, right? Fertilizer sector looks very, very good to me, because right now, as there will be, you know, monsoons just setting in, and expecting good monsoons, because in India, what I understand, the stock market also runs based upon how the monsoons will be, right? If the monsoons will be good, the, you know, the good crop can be expected, and when there will be good crop or can be expected, that means fertilizers will be in good use, right? Those companies which are manufacturing fertilizers can expect good demand, right? So some of the stocks that are on my radar, I have tried to list as many stocks as I could possibly. Out of them, Madras Fertilizer, National Fertilizer, Deepak Fertilizer, I'm not interested in Agrophos, because look at the kind of structure the stock had, you know, like either the upper circuits or the lower circuits. So I don't like these kind of trades, these kind of stocks. I like companies which have stable outlook, right? So one stock that is on my radar is Chambal Fertilizer. So what we can really do is buy Chambal fertilizer above all these past historical resistances. So I'm going to mark the resistance zone. You can see from here, this is the resistance zone, right? If I just go to the deep past, you see here, this stock has taken support twice from this place, right? Stock has taken support twice from this place, right? And from that same place only, it has taken a resistance. So according to me, if the stock goes above 145, ये मैं चंबल फर्टिलाइजर की बात कर रही हूँ, अगर चंबल फर्टिलाइजर 145 के ऊपर जाता है तो एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी इसमें बनती है बाय करने की। स्टॉप लॉस क्या होगा उसमें? स्टॉप लॉस करीब रखा जा सकता है 135 का, राइट? ये हमारा स्टॉप लॉस हो सकता है। और टारगेट्स क्या हो सकते हैं हमारे? अराउंड 150, 160, 165, 170, and I can expect a final target of 185, right? 180, 185. Right? This is what I can expect as the final target. So almost like 40 points. That is about how much movement? If we are at 145, a movement of about 35 points means about 20% move is what I'm expecting, right? So please, I'm going to write it for you somewhere that the stocks that I'm expecting to move up will be fertilizer stocks. Are we going to analyze it fundamentally as well? So one of the first stock that I have on my radar is Chambal fertilizer, right? Chambal fertilizer, we will buy it above 145, right? So buy above 145, right? That's the first stock I have on my radar. Then I have RCF. RCF looks very, very good to me, and there are other reasons for RCF. I have been watching this stock for a long time. इस स्टॉक को मैं बहुत समय से देख रही हूँ और इसमें धीरे 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 some positions are getting created. धीरे धीरे इसमें buying हो रही है. Some mutual fund is creating position in this particular stock slowly, gradually. तो मुझे ये स्टॉक बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बट किस जगह पे, कहाँ पे खरीदना है हमको, वो मैं आपको बताती हूँ. I feel above 47 it will be a good opportunity to buy. So I'm writing it here. Buy above 47, right? And ये सारे स्टॉक्स जितने भी मैं बात कर रही हूँ, चाहे वो चंबल हो, चाहे राष्ट्रीय फर्टिलाइजर हो, ये सारे स्टॉक्स हमको रखने कम से कम 3 महीने के लिए अपने रडार पे, राइट? सो मद्रास फर्टिलाइजर्स ऑलरेडी आप जो स्टॉक ऊपर चला जाता है, आई डोंट वांट टू क्रिएट पोजीशन. सो व्हेन ये स्टॉक कब अच्छा था? जब इसने अपने हाई को ब्रेक करा था. इस जगह पे फ्राइडे को अगर हम 16.5 के करीब खरीदते तो आज हमें अच्छा प्रॉफिट मिलता, बट आज अब इट्स गॉन, राइट? नेशनल फर्टिलाइजर, ऑल्दो इसने अपना ब्रेकआउट दे दिया है, बट स्टिल मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. दीपक फर्टिलाइजर भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. सो इसका एक जो स्ट्रॉन्ग रेजिस्टेंस है वो इस जगह पे है, करीब 114 पे. उसके ऊपर वी विल हैव अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बाय. ये स्टॉक मैं रिकमेंड नहीं करूंगी, बिकॉज जो भी इस तरह के लोअर सर्किट्स होते हैं या अपर सर्किट्स होते हैं, दे आर ऑल ऑपरेटर ड्रिवन स्टॉक्स. सो दिस इज नॉट ऑन माय रडार. Chambal fertilizer I have told you. Then we have Southern Petrochemical, right? This is also a very nice stock so far because a lot of accumulation has happened. You see this place? आप यहाँ पे देखोगे तो आपको दिखेगा clearly इस जगह पे accumulation zone है, right? Small quantities have been picked up और ये level जो कि इसका 14 का level है वो break नहीं हुआ है for quite some time. So that is kind of an indication that this stock definitely plans to go up above 17 or 18 rather, I would say. So this is SPIC. So I'm going to add up here SPIC. Buy above what value? Buy above 18, right? Buy above 18, right? So I'm going to add it here. Buy above 18, right? So this looks very good to me. And as I told you, my whole endeavor here is to teach you people. ये लो आपका जो है स्टॉप लॉस हो जाएगा. इस जगह पे जहाँ पे लो ये बार बार लगा रहा है, इस जगह पे ये आपका स्टॉप लॉस हो जाएगा। सो 16 रुपए पे आपका स्टॉप लॉस हो जाएगा, राइट। ये आपका स्टॉप लॉस हो जाएगा और आप 18 रुपए पे इसको बाय कर सकते हो। थोड़ा सा डीप स्टॉप लॉस है, 10% का स्टॉप लॉस काफी डीप होता है, राइट। सो but doesn't matter, it's fine. And then I have also a few more stocks on my radar. RCF, I have told you we will buy above 47. मेरी buying RCF में above 47 है. Our stop loss is going to be 44, right? 43, 44 is going to be our stop loss, right? ये जगह जहाँ पे इसने बार बार सपोर्ट लिया है, that place is my stop loss, right? Then GNFC, we have already created our position in this. GNFC, if you just go here and Gujarat. So let it find. Till then, I'm going to do one thing. Gujarat, Narmada. Gujarat, Narmada. Gujarat, Narmada. So let's see. This is again another good stock. Mangalore Chemicals. Mangalore Chemicals is also another good stock, right? We can look for that. And GSFC is also bottomed out, but right now my focus will remain. We have already created our position in Coromandel. Right now we don't have a position in this, but to me, you know, I would go for Deepak Fertilizer above 115. Madras Fertilizer above, it's already gone, so I'm going to skip it. And National Fertilizer, we will take an entry at about this place, right? Above 30. NFL, right? National Fertilizer, my entry will be at about 30. My stop loss will be, my stop loss is me thoda sa deep stop loss aa raha hai nazar, 27, right? So I'm going to add another stock, which is again NFL, buy above 30, and stop loss is going to be stop loss, as I told you, is going to be about 27 rupees, right? So these are few stocks that I've found are looking good, and I have a reason. You know, all the sectors actually move according to the seasons, right? Some sectors, like for example, if you look into it, the moment summers will come, Voltas, you will see have a spike, right? You can have a look at Voltas. It will always have a spike. You can exclude this year because this year has been a very, very painful year, right? Otherwise, closer to, see here, closer to the, sorry, closer to the summers, right? Somewhere here you can see there will be always a spike. Always see the moment February, after February, and it is in uptrend, right? It is an uptrend starting from March and till about October. It will be in uptrend. This was last year, right? This is this year. Of course, because of pandemic, it went in the downward direction, but you will always find a spike in the price in Voltas. So sectors also rotate themselves according to the seasons, right? And fertilizer season will be actually the season when the rainy season is expected, right? When rains are supposed to be good, and people can expect good crop, and hence one can go for fertilizer stocks. And another reason that I have personally figured out is the accumulation that is happening in these stocks for good some time. You know, slowly, gradually, big mutual funds or institutional investors are picking some quantities here, right? So you can also search, you know, you can go to the uh, you can just type it over here, the Nifty fertilizer companies, right? And you will come here to the money control, and you can figure out which are the companies which are actually dealing with fertilizers. So you have Tata Chemicals, you have Chambal Fertilizer, Coromandalam, GNFC, GSFC, NFL, Rashtriya Chemical, Fertilizer and Chemical. Out of these, you know, you need to pick up the ones which have good, you know, which are not illiquid, right? We can also analyze Tata Chemical, right? So you have to pick up the stocks which are not Tata Chemical. So the stocks which are illiquid, which do not have good liquidity, will always make you, you will not be able to exit your trades. So that is why I have selected a few stocks like 𝐷𝐞𝐿 fertilizer is on my radar. Have I posted it here? 𝐷𝐞𝐿, no, I haven't, right? So I would like to add that as well. 𝐷𝐞𝐿 fertilizer, buy above 115. Right? And as I want you all to be understanding how do you put your stop losses, this candle's low, right? This is 114. Today it has moved a lot, right? Today 𝐷𝐞𝐿 fertilizers move about 7%. So we're going to buy above 115, right? Which is going to be the resistance faced sometime back over here. And our stop loss is going to be 102. This low part is going to be this part where the price has got stuck up. That is going to be our stop loss, right? So these are few stocks. So let me just once again run through with you people. The sector that looks very, very promising as of now, when we talk about it, which is about 15th of June, and we are heading towards the rainy season, and we are heading towards the season when the usually farmers need fertilizers. So all these companies, which are Chambal Fertilizer, Rashtriya Fertilizer, and if you ask me which company I would personally like to bet, so my personal bet will be on, at this point of time, if you ask me one stock where I look the valuations correct, look very, very nice, I'm going to go for RCF, right? RCF is looking very good to me at this point of time. I will go for RCF, right? So RCF is going to be my stock, right? For the next 3 months, you can invest, just buy 100 stocks, right? At 47 rupees, means 4,700, less than 5,000 rupees investment. Or you can buy 1,000, right? It's just 47,000 rupees of investment. And what can you expect? As I have already told you, that you can expect some good return, and I'm just going to mark some levels for you so that you can understand what can you expect in RCF. This could be the final target, 60, right? So if you invest 47,000 rupees, you can expect a return of about 10 to 12,000 rupees in next 2-3 months, right? Next 2-3 months, right? So I think which is a very decent return, because in case you put your money into mutual funds or any safe investment, safe instrument, you only get about 10% return over a period of 1 year, 10 to 12% or 15%. Here, what are you expecting? 12,000 rupees on an investment of 50,000 rupees, let's say. So roughly about 40% return can be expected. So this is my analysis of the sectors, and my sector on focus at this point of time is going to be fertilizer sector, right? So these are the stocks you can keep on radar, and out of them, the stock that I can bet right now upon is the Rashtriya Chemical Fertilizer, which is RCF. So take care, guys, and keep making money, keep making good money, and please comment, like, subscribe, and encourage others to also join my channel. I will take you to my my YouTube channel as well. This is my YouTube channel, which is my English channel, but now I have decided I'm going to work on this channel only. I have another channel which is in Hindi, but there I'm not being able to post a lot of videos, but still you should know exactly. So this is my StockPro Hindi channel, right? So I've posted videos long back due to the time and so much other things going on. I'm not being able to post my videos here, but you can always be present on the StockPro channel, which is our main channel. So this is my StockPro channel. You will get regular updates here, regular videos here, like this video where you are watching. You will get it in Hindi and English mixed language, and just keep learning from here, keep making more money, and be present on my Telegram channel where you get some short trades, right? Look at this trade which I told you in the morning. I have given not Coromandel, I have given two stocks, right? I have given Jubilant Food, Jubilant Life Sciences, not Jubilant Food, Jubilant Life Sciences. Look at the blast in the Jubilant Life Sciences, right? I have given an entry at 625. This was my place of entry. And look at the blast that the stock had. It made a high of 690, right? That's the accuracy. The other stock that I have given on the free channel, TV18, right? Those are the stocks, small, investment in intraday trades. Not intraday, they are not intraday trades. These are all positional trades. But look at the conviction and look at the accuracy, right? That is something you can all understand, because when your conviction and accuracy is high, you will not lose money in the market. So the beautiful blast, this is my point of entry, 625, and look at how it has made even a high of 690, right? Almost movement of about 10% in one single day. One single day, the movement is about 10%. And this is what I'm giving on my free channel. This is, look at the time stamp, right? Time stamp, you look at it as it is at 11 a.m., right? And just see at 11 a.m., you will see this is where the price was. And look at the blast, right? Same goes with TV18 broadcast. I've given buy at this place, 31.5. And look at the blast in front of your own eyes, 33.2. That's the high it has made. That's the high it has made, 33.25, right? More than 5-6% return in a single day. So all the best, guys. Hoping you all making good money. Hoping you all are present here. And if you are present here and if you have made money, I just request you all to share my channel with others and let's stop this losing money in the stock market. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon. Bye guys. Bye.